Hello everyone. Here we are with another FreeCAD tutorial video. Today, I'm bringing you the third and final part of the solution to a challenge I presented some time ago. What we're going to do now is convert the surface obtained in part 2 into a parametric solid. Here we can see the smooth composite surface we created in the previous part. Now, let's switch to the part Design Workbench, create a new body, and then generate 3 SubShape binders from the different regions of this surface. Here are the SubShape binders. Next, we'll apply extrusions to each of them. The thickness of these extrusions is the value we stored earlier in the dynamic data object during part 1. We also need to set the extrusion direction, in this case, along the positive z-axis. Let's start by extruding one of the surface sections. And then repeat the operation for the other 2 SubShape binders to complete the solid body. And here it is, the final solid we were aiming for. First, we'll improve the resolution at which FreeCAD displays the body. Now, let's assign it the same color as the original surface. I'll copy the color from the surface and apply it to the body. Done. There's the solid. Looks great. Look how clean the surface appears. But to make sure the continuity is truly smooth, let's now apply the zebra pattern to verify it visually. We'll go to the Curves workbench, where we have the zebra tool. As you can see, there are no visible breaks anywhere, the reflection flows smoothly across the entire surface. Let's adjust the scale and orientation of the zebra pattern to double-check. Look at that perfect continuity. To avoid accidentally selecting individual faces or edges when rotating the model, we'll set the body as non-selectable. That way, when we rotate it, the whole object moves smoothly, without highlighting any internal parts. And that's it, we've completed the tutorial. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and hit the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Any comments or feedback are always welcome. Thank you for following this series, I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.